Master Hand glitch.
Whoa, how the hell did it do that?
I don't know. I'm gonna kill it.
Yes, if you ruin everything, I'm gonna kick your ass.
Ruin what?
Well, if he kills Master Hand. Because it would just show Master Hand's a big wimp. Getting killed.
Everyone wants to
getting
see
his ass
Master
kicked.
Hand win.
Yeah.
Why does he keep going on that side?
Hard.
No, why is he going over there? He's just killing the kid in his house.
Oh, look, it's cloaking. Why didn't they put that in Smash Bro? I mean, Brawl.
I don't know. Nobody liked it.
It was cool, kind of.
Ouch.
Oh.
That
What's gonna happen next? Ness won't die.
Why doesn't Ness die? Why don't the... Okay.
Ness, don't... Oh my god, he just died.